Tom. This is the 12 feet. 14 feet? 12 feet. The John Boat, aluminum. Built in 1974. Came with a trailer, a trolling motor, charger, and that was it, I think. Oh, life vest and all that good jazz. Yep, all the working lights. It's all good. Share I had to buy separately. I got the lights. Yep. Of course, this here is the mount for my fish finder. My transducer is right at the transom. You can see that right there. I'm not quite sure if I even installed that right, but oh well. Follow the direction as much as you can. Yes, my car. This stuff here is the material for our free roof. We're getting a free roof done. That's our house. It's my motorcycle covered up. You can see here, there against the wall is Scooter's mom, and this is Scooter right here drinking water. Scooter! 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 In the winter, they just sleep in there. Sometimes there's 4 of them all bundled up. That front yard, no more track. It's been a while. Yeah, and I put the car that way so no one can steal the shingles. And there you have it.